Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to go to the platform. You know, see, if you watch the content, like it. If you like it, subscribe. See? I give thanks. So, the division in a Rastafari not just starting up. See? The division start from long time. We have some power-hungry brethren where involved in the development and the growth from day one, from Jump Street. Division start from when the Babylon takes it on Leonard Howell, right Honorable Leonard Percival Howell. When I hear no man talk about, every man jump up and shout out this, give ISIS to this and give ISIS to that, and he, she, and the old lady. And very rarely hear no man speak of Leonard Percival Howell. You see? Anyway, from them time, the man them come with device. When Babylon start create this propaganda of madness, illusion, and, you know, against Leonard Howell. Most of the very same man them with up on the ground, so them are Rasta through the sake of pride, and them sort of thing they start disassociate themselves from the elder. You know, see, because of the propaganda where Babylon, where them supposed to fight against, set up and speak of the man. You know, see, from them time there. See, every man want to do them one thing and draw one side and do for them thing and you know, abandon the pinnacle movements and everybody want to be the man. We always have that problem there with us, you know, particularly as Jamaican, you know, Rasta. You know, see, His Majesty come visit the island and ask the man them say, just organize and centralize youth so that we can have a functioning body. You know, see, that I want to call it an indigenous body or however, you know, see, up to this day. Rather than that, the man them split the thing in a three. You know, see, 3 in 1 and 1 in 3 come and make the eye them know, say, if it be 1, this body must be 1. The man them split it in a 3, further split it up. Now you have Binghi, you have Bobo, you have all sort of thing. You see, I love the whole of them because I one Rastafari, I say. And every man that's a Rastafari as far as I'm concerned. You see, every man have them own nature. Every man have a different nature from the next man, you know. See? So, if a set of Rasta man can align with a certain nature and decide to say, oh, yes, so hang on. I say it I go. The man them hang out up a Bobo Hill because they have that nature. See, if the man them have a different nature, the nature where Binghi deal it, the man them out there on Binghi, I saw it go. I saw it forgot to. You can't have a man up a Bobo Hill and him not feel comfortable with the process. It is sin that. You can't force a man to do something against him comfort zone, against him will. And expect say that is any progress. You know, see it. You have a silent rebellion a go on and you don't realize it. See it? So, regardless of how the man them chose to attire or approach things, whether we love and respect, see me 100% in my brother, that's how we are dealing. You see it? And we always get back that love there. You get me? I might never really see or yeah. See? See? But still, the difference in a house and body and thing like that. We're supposed to have one Rastafari a card, regardless of how some man want chill out and hold a Sabbath, or some man want keep a Binghi and burn a fire. Every man have one accord and a Rastafari. You know, see it, we have moved towards the upliftment and the progress of Rastafari. Not Bobo, not Binghi, not 12 tribe. And least of all, not this latest thing where we see some people come with where, no, you have judgment, you hard, you know. You see it? No, you have David House. And them little thing there. See? And what that costs now is that some Rasta youth, some dreadlocks youth, dreadlocks Capitan, dreadlocks Munga Rebel, dreadlocks Sizzler, upset the process by using them money and them fanfare and them limelight and gideoned boy business. Stepping at the midst of a perfect organization and uproot the young soldier them and the new recruit them and have them run behind them with the promise of limelight, with the promise of stardom, with the promise of all sorts of debauchery and sickness where the whole of them are going with up there. Like this is Rastafari or them chaddy or them movements. You can't say one thing out of your mouth, you know, because you know hustler, you stick with the script. In order to make your money keep turning. We're not stupid, we're not idiot. We don't need no boy if you come set new standard or Rasta standard for we. Standard was already set and accepted by the man himself, Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Because when the Abuna confront Rastafari in Ethiopia, I say, oh, you say His Majesty a God. Prove it to me. Oh, you come by that. And the man them prove it. Me not going on semantics, you don't know. The man them did prove it. And by the evidence of the man them provide, the Bruna say it's so. Then it is so. You know, see it? So when His Majesty want to send Ethiopian Orthodox Church come a Jamaica, yes, I know. His Majesty did teach Ethiopian Orthodox Church a lesson. You know, see it? By bringing them to Jamaica, I learn them come to Jamaica to come learn something where them never know or seen or observed before. You know, see it? Even with the said, another incident occur, may I show you say, His Majesty move mystically. Another incident occur where the man them depend them ends and them here say His Majesty send call them. No! And the man them jump up, every man organized. Them time they have text message and them sort of email and them thing there, you know. A word amount bicycle rider, phone call, drop a message down so and some people run come deliver deliver it and foot the rest away. You know see? Yet the man them could have reached up a king's house before the thing happened. The press conference done. I'm just in time by them step in. Mystically, is the Eritrean journalist asked His Majesty a question. And as soon as he introduced himself, the group of Rastafari where His Majesty sent for was present in the room. And the man them here where him come from. That's the man them start. Yo! Eritrea you come from, hey boy, I don't know attack the whole thing and rate it and blah blah blah. That's immediately His Majesty, before His Majesty could have answered the boy question, His Majesty look on the contingent of Rastafari where him send for. And say, yo, no come. And the whole of them walk, His Majesty and the rest of them, and the whole of them walk out of the king's house and gone. Mystically, make boy know say, hey, I better feel like say, because we say peace, we forgot what go on. That Eritrean could all be somebody where His Majesty personally want to feel the wrath or see the weight of the movement. So they send call the man them come. Before them could have said anything to His Majesty, they hear the guy introduce himself and they will stick on the guy immediately like them at him say, hey boy, you welcome to Jamaica. If you, hey boy, you're lucky. You know see it? His Majesty say, yo, come, let go that. And walk out like a big bunch of gangster. You know see it? So the authority was there. No rebuke, no disgust or nothing. Just, yo, brother and sister, yo, come, my children. See? And gone. You know see it? All we ask the man them to do, organize and unite the thing some more. Get the thing in a one house. I mean, and the Binghi them over there start do them thing, the Bobo them over here start do them thing, the whole will support one another and come together and pull together for the progress and the betterment and the development of Rastafari. Not for the progress and the development of Gatman, Prince Emmanuel, or nobody else. You know, see, we are driving this forward for the movement of the black culture, the upliftment of the black culture, the progress towards self-esteem and self-confidence. That's where it beginning. That's where it began, not the first place. When I make some boy, you know, some tell a boy a white guy, you have a black one, right? Yes, sir. And as much as you know, you know, deify, so you know, white guy you want to have over there, we do the same way over there, black man or even more. You know, see it? See it? So again, the division, the devise is a stagnation to I and I. And the eye them must see it. You know, see it. The eye them must see it and know it. But the thing about that now is the divide give each individual house authority. The leaders them have them own a little skullduggery authority a go on where a guy can set up him charity, set up this, set up that, and eat a food, fame little way. While ignoring the true cause, which is the universal cause of Rastafari. See, pulling black people together, highlighting, elevating, developing self-confidence, self-respect, self-esteem. Teach black people say, we history never started slavery. The history was long before that. This is the message where the guy them a wall back and a wall down for them own personal gain. Rasta. Can all of the youth them, the little young soldier them, we used to go up a Bobo Hill. From in the early days we see it, you know. From in the early days Emmanuel passing, you know, I think about sometime in between 99 and 2000. The man them did for talk rational, you know. I talk, you know, we stop with this whole mystic talk, but is Emmanuel live. And while you know people, while you know so the argument that confuse people, I make people think say one man I live for 99, 100 years, you know. And now clarify the thing to the people and bring it down to grown, to full standing, what poor people can understand. Say Emmanuel is a title, and 1, 10, 20 different man come and gone and live the title and gone Rasta. This is part of the illusion talk. We hold back Bobo Hill and keep Bobo Hill in a sort of state of fantasy. The people observe Bobo Hill with a level of, you know me I say like delusion, man. When them hear them sort of talk the Rasta. While the understanding when them try to communicate is not so. The reality is far from the understanding where the crowd round them under. But what? Who cares? Who give a damn? We could do what we are the same way. This is all about us. It's not about the people where Rastafari come for elevate and teach. We can always do what we want. Why? Born a God. When a God, the whole of them love and we dead for God. So we are just born God in front of them. So I said, hate we and want, you know, get rid of we. Like how them get rid of everything. We oppress God against, you know, evil against good. See? Without any form of explanation. Without any form of intricate knowledge or, you know, the poor people who will not try impress, who will not try grow, who will not selfish, disorganized and show off. A man think education is bragging rights. These are the little things that will keep us in a slow pace position this day. So we now grow, we grow, Rasta grow and I grow fast. You know, see? But the leadership structure, the design, the direction, not there. It's still stagnated in our level where we still, when we reach there, so we are wonder what's next. Where next? You know, see it, Rasta? You know, see it? And now because of some individual where where blatantly I hustle the movement and that's what them want to do, how them want to do. Without, remember keyword, without repercussion. Because things wasn't this way. You see it? Guys used to have to answer. You know see it? I don't know, impossible. You see why I'm to silk boss the other day, yeah. We not brag and boast, because we don't love that neither, We never used to deal with entertainers. So when I deal with entertainers, so entertainer was no threat. For entertainer was somebody where, just like how everybody love them and I do with them, we just know say, I aim that, whether I'm hot or not, whether I'm up there, yes or no. Somebody that way carve out a niche, out of nothing among us. All the way there, sit down and watch nothing can happen. Now we see a man come up and go so click and make something happen for himself, not for I and I. You see it? So we always love and respect and appreciate of that and adore them people and we keep them up, we hold up them head and them self-esteem to a degree where, them feel good and big about themselves. We are never the one who beat them and tear them down in a crowd like that, like say, well then, once an entertainer reach certain level, I think him did get, not that him immune, not him immune, but a certain thing, it would tolerate. See it becomes more tolerable because we're proud, we're still proud and take pride in our achievements same way. It's become part of us. Usually at the ghetto, our entertainer come from too. See it? So, it becomes a emulant for all the I and I then. Make you feel good, something for brag and boast about. See it? At the wrong set of man, them are some rasta, some dreadlocks, boy. They would them to start grabbing at them head off of them bike when them a ride past. And them way there. And, demand what for them because some boy a fake rasta. Some boy a fake. Some boy have the potential, the resource for help change and elevate things to the item. Or some boy gone in a bed with the same corrupt individual them will make things the way it is today. Same corrupt individual them will intend to do nothing to change things because as things are them alone are benefit. That benefit them anyway. See, and that's all that is about. Benefiting. See it, Rasta? You can't go arms and gloves and in a bed and agree with everything with them guys they say. It's like, politics I do it. And as a guy, politics I do it. I'm a Rasta. See it? See, so as them little tactics and strategy that we know, say every man know, say when it come on to a unit, you have to organize, you have to draw the power source, you have to draw everything, all of the resource them together to create one power source, Rasta. See, you can't the one side a pull yes and you pull this and you see the thing split up long time from 12 tribe to Binghi. And then now you come and create your own movements. And true, but I have to look at certain things and say it's scientifically engineering, and some boy were involved, some boy are just tool in the game and they even know what they are doing, You see it? Because them boy are presence and it only serve Babylon purpose more and more. And if them not see it every day. Oh, your power hungry, your power grabber, your power drive. I could benefit Rastafari as a group, as a unit. Oh, that I could benefit Rastafari. Is it about Rastafari or is it about a boy and him ego? I saw alone I can't look on it, Rasta. Because everybody, even in America say you have democracy and you have Republican. Democracy and you have... The Democrats want draw the Republican supporter them to come support them, till the Democrats is no more. See it? So it's any little infighting or any little thing will look like them not strong, them eliminate that or hide it. Them not puts it and perpetuate it like so well then, yeah, this. Yo, mash up the whole Democratic Party from beginning or start back fresh. You see? You see the man them do that. Ain't nobody in the world that do that, Rasta, unless the whole intent is to mash up the Democratic Party all to complete. You see it? Why a man will go one side and call himself Neo-Democratic Party. A man will go one side and call it himself Ancient Democratic Party. That means you have ancient, you have the present, and you have the new one and developing one where I come. You see, so it's split in a tree. That them boy I do with Rastafari and I go on like we don't know. That's why, and I like say them get refusal or denied. Hey, them all of them get embraced. Cause remember when the early Emmanuel drop out, as me I explained to you, yeah? What the man them do? It's bringing up them other try pass it on to our next elder. Pass on the title to our next elder. Sizzler keep it on them and the whole of the little idiot young road Bobo boy them. Go up there with gold, red, gold and green AK. Go bad up the elder them. And give this little young screw face boy the thing. We have be a badness and chucky boo businessman dealing. You could have seen it. You could have seen it in his face. You could have seen it in his demeanor. Say a gangster this. From the moment I see me one box down in Bumbuckler, come then where him come from with that attitude in a Rastafari. Not even me never usually give them energy there. This up the elder Rastafari them in the camp. And from there, sir, the spirit of evil walking. Behind them, because dirty head boy there. You know, see it? And when it look like the community itself, kick them out because you can't take them, regurgitate them and push them off of the hill. Them gone all about now. Influence and seduce young Rasta youth with stardom and limelight and disrupt the fabric, the growth and development of Rastafari, both Bobo Hill and Binghi House. You want to tell me it's some so-called guys no realize what them a do when them a do what them a do? Some guy no realize the benefit of even using for them resource for reinforce the status quo by upholding certain discipline and principle just to ensure the structure remains Rasta. A guy put him like a dirty self above the whole movement of Rastafari, like imperfect. Them boy we are walking on. Send go take out so much and how much man, whoever. Them boy we are walking on. Send call which girl, whoever. Them boy we are sleep with them friend, baby mother and all them sort of thing the Rasta. And them a come different. And them a come claims. You know. To say. We not stop give thanks to Rastafari for long life. You know, see, cause we know say anyway water walk one time, it will walk again. Share and like that one of people. My brothers and sisters.